We've just arrived at Goodwood, going to test out the 140 today, just track morning, just see what difference all the mods we've done recently make. So rear subframe bushes, they're PowerFlex Black series now, got AKG diff bushes, Nankang AR1s, and we've stuck some EBC RPX brake pads in it. Other than that, the same recipe as before, so I imagine the tyres will make a fair difference, but I'm really excited to see actually how much more predictable the rear subframe mods might make it. To us on the road it feels better, but I don't know if it's really a proper test of it. So Goodwood's rather fast circuit will definitely be a way of telling. I haven't driven here before, so I'm a little bit nervous. It's a really fast track, but I'm sure I'll get the hang of it soon enough, and then we'll see what the 140 can do. Yeah. Just finished a morning on track with the 140 since we've done the latest load of mods. So Nankang AR1 tyres, new rear subframe with Powerflex Black Series subframe bushes and AKG diff bushes. We put some RPX pads in it, EBCs. That's kind of it really. I've done a few bits inside like the CANchecked gauge and things, but yeah, no performance benefit from them. And yeah, again, the 140's been really, really bloody good on track. Kind of always expect it to have a bit of a shortfall, but not this time at all, and not last time, not really anything. These tyres made a huge difference, and definitely the rear subframe's made a huge difference. Now coming out of the corners, it's far more predictable, and actually under power kind of goes where you expect it to, but didn't really get overtaken by anything. Just impressive. Let us know what you think. It's kind of, in some ways, I find it a bit of a shame that we're overtaking the 92 M3s and things that are proper M cars, but just shows how capable these can be with the right mods on them. So I think we'll have to come back to Goodwood again. This is my first time and loved it, and the car loved it. So hopefully see you again here soon.